on your broom? All right, ready? You ready? Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Oh, good try. Oh, you got flush, so get your hoops. All right, good job. Who's the next beater in line? I'm going to say brooms down. I'm going to say brooms down, and everybody needs to get down on one knee and have their brooms right by them. And I'm going to say, everybody close your eyes. You're all going to close your eyes. And then when I say brooms up, you can open your eyes and you run and you try to get your ball. Do not hurt the other person in the process of getting the ball. Right? Just try to be faster.
The beaters will go for these two balls and the chasers will go for the quaffle.
Right. Remember, if you are a beater, you can only touch a bludger. And if you are a chaser, you can only touch a quaffle. All right? And remember, if you get hit by a bludger, you have to drop your ball, touch your hoops, and then come back.
And beaters, you want to go to these three.
Yes.
So the beater over here wants to hit these three players. Beater over here wants to hit these three players.
All right? So brooms down. Everybody's down. Close your eyes. And your eyes are open. I said close your eyes. Eyes closed and brooms up.
On your broom. Where's the other beater?
Oh, really close.
Come on, hit him! Hit him!
Oh,
Nope, stay on the broom.
Hey.
Stay on the broom and do not hit.
Hit other people with your broom. Awesome. Was that 20?
Yep.
Okay, they missed.
Okay.
All right. Oh, careful. All right. 10-10. It's a close game. Oh, so close.
All right. That's the game.
All right.